are going to love the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.